Hey there, people. How's it going? Well, what we're going to be talking about today is the Magic Lint Brush Pet Hair Remover. Yeah, now, anybody who has pets, you know how it is with their shedding and what you have to go through to keep the hair off of everything. Now, we have in my house, we have black furniture, and we have a beige dog, and we have a white and black cat. Okay, so everybody knows that everything shows up on black. Black furniture only looks good when it's clean. Okay, if you have anything on there, it's going to show up and it's going to look dirty. So we use this to actually remove pet hair. And as you can see, this part here has these bristles on the end of it that are very fine. See? You can almost hear them. You can actually hear it. They're very fine, and just thousands of them on there. You can feel it. And they're very coarse, and they grab really, really well. Now, you run this across your furniture and it will take off the pet hair. Now, it's not just used for pet hair. Well, first you can use this on any of your fabrics, your sofa, your carpet, even your clothes, your curtains. You can use it on just about any fabric out there, and it will take off lint. It's great for dust, and it also is good for dandruff, and especially pet hair, especially the pet hair from a light colored animal. Yeah, it really works very well. And like I showed you just a second ago, it has this little handle here, because I mean, you can do this and you can do this, you can do all of that, but this allows for you to turn this part. So if you, let me put this down and show you. If you turn it, say this way, like that, you can put this down like this and scrub this way, you know? So it's very good. It's very, that this can turn, and you can put it down and scrub it all, you know, like in a wide way. You know, it covers a lot like that. So yeah, I like that a lot. It's a really cool feature of this little brush. Now, before I started using this, I was using a actual hairbrush to remove the lint, and I was even using a wet cloth and all kind of, you know, different ways of getting rid of that bad hair, you know. And a friend of mine actually saw me doing it one day, and he told me what he was using, and this is what he was using, and he actually gave me one of his old ones. Now, the one he gave me was really, really old. That thing looked like it was about, oh boy, it looked like it was about maybe 5-6 years old. This part on one end was like really run down, you know, it looked very old, but I used it and it worked. It worked very well, actually, even it being that old, you know. So I used it, but I decided that I needed to get one of my own. So I actually ordered one on my own, and when you get these, you get 2 in a pack, and it's very, very good. They work very good. And I thought the one he gave me worked well. This one worked even better because it was new, you know, and it really grabbed. It grabbed that stuff right off the sofa. Yeah, boy, I mean, you'll see. I mean, if you go out and get one of these or have one, you know that it's just a really good way to clean your fabrics. I mean, of all kinds of different stuff that's on there. It's just really good. I like it a lot. I also use it for my bedding. Yeah, so if you have pets and you know how they can be. You have to really stay up on cleaning up their hair. Don't let it go because it'll make your furniture and everything else just look like it's very bad. Okay, well, we've been talking about the Magic Lint Brush Pet Hair Remover. I hope you guys use this information, and I'll see you again next time. All right, bye-bye.